welcome back. I'm here with co-founder of Saratoga Bass Fishing, Zach. Yeah, we're here out in Fish Creek trying to catch some fish. We saw some carp out and we're going to try and catch them. There they are. There they are. A bobber? Yeah, you can just grab one out of my tackle box if I have any. I don't see any of them right now, but they've been in this little pool area right here. Oh, probably in the bottom, if I have any. Yeah, they've... Or just get a sinker. I have a bunch of sinkers, dude. Really? Nice. How does it feel to have caught your first close-up fish on Saratoga bass fishing?
Yeah, feels pretty good.
Because usually I'm far away in a kayak somewhere. Yeah. That was on worm?
Just on a worm.
Yeah, there's a lot of... There's a lot of... Your close-up one.
My close-up.
That is a stat. Did you throw corn on the other side?
Yeah.
Ugh. Is it another rock bass? It is another. I told you, they're crazy over here. I'm getting it on camera. I watch as the majestic Zach unhooks his prey. What the fish doesn't know is he'll be dinner tonight. What a tragic day.
For a nice big bass, maybe.
Are you gonna cut him up?
No.
I mean, you could.
When I let him go.
Oh. I mean, you could cut him up. Oh man, it feels good to get out again. I haven't been fishing since college started. Yeah. It's been a while. Whew. It's a little chilly, folks. Zach, there's a big carp over here, dude. Come here. There's a carp. Do you have corn on? Do you have corn on? On your line? Oh my God, there's two of them. There's a bunch of them, Zach. Holy boy. Oh boy. god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Zach, come here. Come follow me, dude. They can't really leave, so they have to be here. They can't, it's not like they're trout. They can't just fly upstream. So they're here. Here they are, Zach. Zach. Yeah, come here. Zach. Zach, I'm gonna go around and try and get them down this way. Oh my god, dude. There you go. Oh my god. There's only, I only see. Yeah. I think he just took it. See, they're moving. No, he didn't take it. They're downstream more now. Oh, I got one! Yo, I got one! Yeah. Yeah, boy! Yes! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Yes! I still got it. No, I still got it. Oh, no, I still got it, Zach. It's okay. No. Let me angle it. I just want to tire him out. I don't want you to. Oh my boy. Oh my god, dude. Yo, let go. Let go. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Whew. Oh. It's okay. No. Let go. You just gotta tucker him out. This is how you fish for carp. You just gotta tucker them out. Let them tucker themselves out. I'm sorry that I caught one. I know you wanted to catch your first one, dude, but yeah. They're not gonna be fooled so easily. Oh my god. Oh, and I'm getting it all on video too. How big is he, you think? Oh. Let him go. Yeah, they are.
Probably like 8 or 10 pounds.
Let go. Let it out.
Yeah.
loosen my drag a little. They fight really hard. And they fight for a long time. Yeah. Hey buddy. Can you let me know if I'm still recording?
Yeah, you are.
Oh, sweet. I don't want to like startle him and then, you know what I'm saying? He still has a lot of fight left in him. Grab him. See, he flops around a lot. Alright, get the pliers. Here.
Pliers are next to your rod. We should need them. Can you lip them?
No, I guess you could. I don't think they have teeth. He's bleeding. They bleed really easily. They have like suction cups. You can lip them. Don't, see, that's gonna... 8-10 pounds? My biggest one was like 16, dude.
Just need some leverage to get it out.
Want me to hold him?
No, their mouths are super skinny, like compared to a bass.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, why don't you go get the
Pliers? Yeah. Just make sure he doesn't take off with my rod. Don't keep him flipped upside down for too long. Okay, cool. Yes. Oh my god, dude. Catch of the day. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Sucking on my thumb.
See, this is why you gotta tucker them out. You pushing forward. Nice.
Yeah.
Carp, everybody.
I'm gonna hold them so you can get it on video.
Yeah.
Like,
Yep.
good looking fish.
Thanks for being my first fish. Yeah, this was the small one.